Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Big Bud 500 is a legendary name in the world of tractors, known for its sheer power, durability, and impressive size. Built in the 1970s by Northern Manufacturing Company, this tractor was designed for large-scale farming, capable of handling some of the toughest agricultural tasks. Equipped with a massive 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine, the Big Bud 500 produced around 500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful tractors of its time. With its enormous frame and heavy-duty construction, it was built to plow through vast fields, pull heavy equipment, and perform under extreme conditions without breaking a sweat. Farmers who owned this machine appreciated its raw power and ability to cover large areas efficiently, saving both time and fuel compared to smaller tractors. One of the most impressive aspects of the Big Bud 500 was its durability. Unlike many modern tractors that rely heavily on complex electronics, this machine was designed with a simpler mechanical structure, making it easier to maintain and repair. This was a crucial advantage for farmers working in remote areas where quick repairs were necessary to keep operations running. The tractor's massive tires provided excellent traction and stability, allowing it to work on different types of terrain without getting stuck. Its design focused on functionality, ensuring that every part of the machine contributed to its overall efficiency and longevity. The Big Bud 500 was produced in limited numbers, making it a rare and valuable piece of machinery today. While it was eventually overshadowed by its successor, the Big Bud 747, which became the largest tractor in the world, the Big Bud 500 remains an important part of farming history. Many collectors and enthusiasts still admire this machine for its engineering brilliance and the impact it had on large-scale farming. Some units are preserved in museums, while others continue to operate on farms, proving just how well built they were. The Big Bud 500 stands as a symbol of a time when tractors were built for pure strength and endurance, and it continues to impress those who see it in action.